Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out.
Here I've got just a regular package of chicken-flavored ramen. Here I've got the recommended amount of boiling water. I'm going to add my seasoning straight to it. That way when I reconstitute the ramen noodles, the flavor will be absorbed straight into the noodle. Now we'll just add the dehydrated noodles and cook them down till they soften like this. But I'm sure you already know how to cook ramen. So the next thing I'm going to do here is strain out the broth. The important thing here is to just have the dry noodle. Now in an oven-safe dish, I'm just going to add a little bit of peanut oil. But you can use whatever you like. Canola, olive oil, coconut would be fine. And once you've spread that out, just drop your ramen right in the dish and spread it out evenly. Now if you're wanting a crunchy crust, I would recommend pan frying before you add it to the dish. Make it a lot better. But you want to just take your favorite spaghetti sauce or pizza sauce, just spread a thin layer of that across the top. It really doesn't take much. Now just spread that out evenly, just like you would do for a pizza. And stay away from the sides. Now I'm going to add some grated mozzarella cheese. But you can add whatever you like, whatever you have. And one of the things I like to do is shake in some Italian seasoning. Now add your favorite toppings. I'm going to go with pepperoni. And you want to bake this on the bottom rack where the heat's coming from at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, check out these wings. I pulled these out of the oven just before we popped in that spaghetti pizza. And I'll tell you, if you're interested in something like this, I have some fantastic wing recipes. So be sure to check those out. By now we should be done. You always want to go around the outside edge with a knife or a fork like I'm doing here. Loosen up those edges. And if you look close here, if you look underneath, you can see it's still soft. This does not provide a crunchy crust. Okay, this is not the way to do it for that. Like I mentioned, you should pan fry your ramen if you want a crispy crust. That's why this is more spaghetti style, the ramen spaghetti pizza. But let's go ahead and twirl this on the fork a bit and take a taste. Looks pretty good, huh? It's pretty hot right now, so I need to be careful. But as you can see, we got some cheese. We got some pepperoni in there, all those noodles. Let's try it. Oh, it's hot, but that is delish. And there you have it. Ramen spaghetti pizza right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.